Okay, so Boston just lost his first tooth, and he's got another tooth that's really loose. And the first one kind of came out a little bit on accident, but the second one, we're gonna do something kind of fun to get it out. So first we have to get the string tight on it. So Boston, open up nice and big. Let's see if we can get this. His second tooth, we decided that we are gonna try something a little more fun. We're gonna use this remote control helicopter to pull his tooth out. And so Boston, you just need to make sure your head's back and your mouth is wide open. And I'm just gonna fly the helicopter up and have it pull your tooth out. You ready? Here we go.
Can't pull it out.
Did it pull it out? Okay, this is attempt number 2. The first one, the string slipped off Boston's tooth. We're going to try and remove his tooth using his helicopter. Okay, here we go.
Didn't pull it out.
Okay, here we go. Attempt number 3 to get Boston's tooth out. Here we go. Okay, this is attempt number 4. Okay, this is it. Attempt number 5. We're going to get Boston's tooth out right here.
We got it! We got it!
There's his tooth.
All bloody.
See your smile.
Dun, da, da, da. Remote control helicopter pulls the tooth out.